So guys, today we're in a little Spanish hamlet. It's really quite quaint, and this is the property that we're looking at. These gorgeous big gates, and you've got a side gate there as well. So let me take you inside this beautiful home. It's absolutely huge. You've got plenty of land, fruit trees and olive trees over that way to the property. And just up here there is space that you could do something with, but you could just have it as parking if you wanted. Okay, I've come here to stand back. I've just walked up the garden and I'm standing back just to let you see this beautiful front of the property. It's all done in pillars, and of course you will see my reflection in the front door. Can't do a lot about that, but this is a lovely area to sit and have a coffee and just enjoy the morning. Beautiful decorative all around the door. So let's go inside. So guys, this is the beautiful front door adorning this property with the columns on either side. You can see my reflection in the mirror. I can't do anything about that. But look at this, wow, this is so nicely done. You can see this double glazing in the property. So guys, I've just come into the property and it is beautiful. You've got double glazed windows there, you've got aircon, got a feature fireplace and the original columns. I'm going to start on door 1 here and we work our way through the property. So I've just come into the first room, and as you can see there is aircon and there's a modern light above. Really nice bedroom, and as I pan round you can see it's to the front of the house. Really lovely bedroom. And you have the flooring is all done. Now as I've said, all the flooring and the ceilings have been done, as well as the electrics in this property. So let's go into the next room. So we come back into the main living space here, and this is the next door just here. So let's have a look in here. So there's another bedroom. Now as you can see, it also has the aircon and the double glazing. I'm just going to come around. It's got that beautiful flooring as well. Just going to pan around for you so you get a feel for the room. Okay, you have got nice modern lighting up there as well. So let's go into the next room. I quite like the fact that each room is a surprise to me, you know. So we've got this beautiful feature fireplace, really lovely, nicely done. And just in here is some more living space there. And if I step back, you'll see these beautiful columns adorning the front of the living space here. Now this flooring is all the way through, and that is a lovely feature fireplace. You've also got, as I said, your aircon. So let's carry on down the corridor here. And just in here, so this is another bedroom, a single room. You have a bed there, but it's been used as office space. It also has your aircon and your double glazed windows, tilt and turn by the looks of it, and your modern light. So I think I just stick to one side as I'm walking up so I don't miss any rooms. So this is another single room with your tilt and turn double glazed windows and of course your modern ceiling light and fan. And if I just come up here and pan around for you, just to give you a feel for the room. And this beautiful wooden flooring. Well, it's not wood, I think it's tile. In fact, I'm sure it's tile, but it's got that wooden look about it, you know. So just in here to the next room, and this is into a nice large double bedroom with wall-to-wall wardrobes. You got your modern light, double glazed windows, and your aircon. Really very nice. Just going to come up here, pan around so you can have a look at the room. So really large bedroom. So the house has been extremely beautifully done. Now I know the kitchen is in here, so I'm going to investigate these other two rooms first because the kitchen leads me out into the gardens. So in here is a shower room. As you can see, you've got that lovely smoky glass shower screen. Very modern shower, frosted glass window, double glazed as well, and your WC. Lovely stone floor. It's all fully tiled, really nicely done. And you've got your modern mirror with your light. And you've got a lovely vanity unit there as well. Plenty of sockets and switches there for your shaving. And I'm just going to come out here and I go into this next room here. Now in here is another bathroom. So you've got another beautiful shower room with the rain head shower, all fully tiled, and you have WC bidet and of course a nice vanity unit. You've got a mirror above with a light overhead. Very nicely done. Now I'm going to take you out here into the kitchen. Now I'm in this beautiful kitchen, so you have your back door out into the gardens. You got your fridge, freezer, got plenty of top and base units, got your sink and drainer, beautiful faucet here as well, really very nicely done. And you've got a beautiful range there. You have a hood extractor above it. This is all gas. Just bring you closer. You've got this gas hob there and really nice range. Got this beautiful flooring going through, and of course you've got plenty of top and base units. Got this breakfast bar as well here. Really nice. It's all fully tiled and very nicely done. So I'm going to take you out into the gardens, but there is more to this property than meets the eye. Now, you have gardens all there and an old shed just there. Lovely area to sit and lounge, and you've got a lovely area that is very much for your leisure time over there, just behind that well. Now the kitchen has a half door, which is really nice farmhouse door. So I'm going to take you down here and we'll have a look over here. So let me take you inside. So guys, as I said, these people have bought this property and have totally upgraded it. So you've got total new ceilings, new floors, all electrics all done, and lovely and modern, very upgraded. It's a beautiful property. So there are some things that are original to the old property that if somebody's been watching my channel long enough, they will notice. But what they've done to this property is amazing. So let me take you around. So we're going inside here. Now this has been totally upgraded. They have left these very decorative columns, which is really nice touch, and you got that beautiful bread oven over there. Now as I pan around, of course you've got the garage over there. There is a different way into it. You've got the carport, beautiful artwork there adorning the garden, and you've got this lovely fountain when on it, beautiful cascades of water down it. So let me go into this over here. Now this is a nice place to chill and just leisure and enjoy during the summer months. So look at this, absolutely wow factor this is. So you've got your area where you can sit and enjoy, watch the football. I'm just going to pan around very slowly. It's absolutely huge. So you've got this beautiful bar with granite worktops. Got all your bar stools around there. Just going to come in here and show you. So you have got some fridges here. Now, anything that is here will be left. It will be in the inventory. Now, we always have an inventory for our properties. So you'll be able to ask the agent to have a look at that, what's staying and what's not. You have a lovely sink and drainer here. And again, more worktop space with the coffee and all that. So lovely area just to chill and enjoy. I love the eye looking at you. You can just sit there, and you've got a hot tub over here as well, which you can enjoy. And this outside space for outside dining. You have this rain head shower just here, but you have got a full bathroom in here. So let me show you. So, I'm going to turn the light on there. You can hear the breeze through the trees. So you've got a nice shower there with semi-frosted. It's a shower cubicle. Got your WC and a frosted glass window. Love the tiles in here, really beautiful. And you've got a boiler, you've got your sink and a vanity unit. So really nice, and plenty of dressing gowns, all matching if you're going to have a dip in the hot tub. And all your, of course, your tanning lotions there. You've got a beautiful light just above there as well. I'll switch that off. Let's go out here and around. Now it does say man cave, so we're going to have a look in here. Now this is the old garage, but my husband would love this now because it's got the workbench and everything men like to potter about in, you know. So it is absolutely huge. You could even make this, dare I say, into an apartment if you wanted to. You got the plumbing, you got your washing machine, you got your sink. It has 2 sinks in there with your taps. You got windows. You got everything here. You got plenty of lighting and all. So if you wanted to turn this in, I mean, the wall is built on that side for a reason, but you got a window up there. And if you wanted, you could put a great big window, folding door windows you could put there, easy, bifolding doors. If I'm wrong with the name, just let me know in the comments, but I think bifolding door windows would look lovely. This could be a huge, nice apartment, you know, for friends or family. And of course, their door out would be out here onto the bar, you know. Really nice area. Now you've got this very quirky rockery here with the cacti and the plants, and as you can see there's a lovely castle just there, all very quirky. I'm going to take you up the steps now. You got the Egyptians over here and the pyramid. Let me take you up there, up this ramp, and let's have a look at the views. Now you have a lovely area here where you can lounge, and you can see for miles and miles and miles all around the countryside. Really beautiful. And the gardens, got some lovely gardens here as well. So let me take you back downstairs. Now I've just come back down and I've walked back down into the bar area and the hot tub area. Now I'm just going around here where there is a functioning bread oven, or at least it used to be. got the temperature on there as well. Just pull that open. See, could use that. Do a nice pizza in there if you want it. I'm going to take you around the gardens now. Large. You have a lovely wishing well there. This is up here, and this is a part of your land. Got some olive trees here. And through here you have got an old shed. You've also got a water tank there. So guys, what do you think of this property? You got this lovely area to lounge, you got your hot tub, you got an area there to sit, have outside dining, you got this beautiful bar here, and your area to watch the footy as well. They've done so much to this property, it's totally upgraded. You got new ceilings, new floors, all electrics, new bathrooms, it's just beautiful. Don't go by my video please, and don't go by photos. It is worth viewing this property, so do come, arrange a viewing with the girls in the office, info@tolettoseltobuy.com, and do check this property out. It's a beautiful property. So I will leave the reference number in the title of my video, and all the agent's details will be in the description box below. Don't forget to share and like on your social media. And until the next time, take care. I can well see why they picked this area as the lounge area, because it's all open and I'm getting a lovely breeze. It's very, very hot today. It's like in the 40s and I'm getting this beautiful breeze coming through. It is such a relief. It's absolutely gorgeous. So do come and view this property. So until the next time, take care, and I see you all again soon. Bye bye.